See, first we are going to study Mat Kasir. Mat Kasir means short vowel. What are the letter will come? Like Ba, Bi, Bu. That is not a letter. Harakat. Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma. Only this will be there. This is called Mat Kasir. See, this is the word they are giving. This is the word they are giving. Okay. You are going to check which is the Kasir. See here. Here also Fatha is there. Fatha after Alif is there. So you should not write. Only this word will come under the Mat Kasir. Only this word will come under the Mat Kasir. See the second example. See here. Okay. This is the example. See here. Here Fa down only Kasra is there. Here Alif, Fatha only is there. But next Alif is there. So you should not take. Lam, the next Ya is there. So you should not say. Only how to underline this word will be coming under the Mat Kasir. Okay. Next one. Mat Tawil. Mat Tawil means long vowel. Next one will be Mat Tawil. Mat Tawil. Mat Tawil. Mat Tawil means long vowel. See, now I told you, long vowel means one letter after Alif should come. Otherwise, one letter after Ya should come. Otherwise, one letter after Wa should come. Okay? This will be the long vowel. That's why I am saying. See here, if they are giving the word like this. So, what is this letter? Short vowel. What is this one? See, one letter after Alif is there. So, this one will come under the long vowel. So, here no Alif, Ya, Waw after the letter. So, this will come under short vowel. This is short, this is short, this is long. So, this one you can say Mat Kasir. Mat Kasir. This is the word of Mat Kasir. This will come Mat Tawil. So, what is this one? This is also Mat Kasir. Hope you got it. There is, okay. Next one will be Maqtal Sakin. Sakin means you are going to consider the Sukun. I think you know this one. Already we learned. See. Maqtal Sakin. Sakin means one letter up. This circle will be there. This is called Sakin. See here I am writing the letter. Sorry, I am writing this letter. So where the Sakin will be there? This is Mat Sakin. What is this one? Mat Kasir. What is this one? Mat Kasir. What is this one? Mat Kasir. See, I will write the next example for you. Say, what is this one? Mat Tawil. What is this one? Mat Kasir. What is this one? Maqtal Sakin. Next one, Al-Kamariya, Al-Samsiya. See here. Al-Kamariya first. Al-Kamariya means moon letter. What is the clue? First step. The first letter should be Alif. Second letter should be Lam. Third letter you are going to check. Up of the letter there is no W. No W symbol. This is called Shabd. No W. This will come under the Al-Kamariya. See here. Wait. See. What is this word? First letter Alif is there. Second letter Lam is there. Third letter you are checking. There is no Sat symbol above. Sat means there is no W symbol above. So this word will come under the Al-Kamariya. Okay. Same like that. Al-Samsiya. What is the meaning of Al-Samsiya? Al-Samsiya means sun letter. Al-Samsiya means sun letter. So here also first letter will come Alif. Second letter will come Lam. Third letter you are going to check. Third letter, up of the letter there is says W. That will come under the Samsiya. See here like this. First letter, second letter, see third letter. Okay, first letter Alif, second letter Lam, third letter up W is there. So this is Samsiya. So I will give the help box here. You are going to write in notebook and say which is Kamariya and Samsiya for me. First question. Second question. which is Kamariya, which is Samsya, right hand side, okay. Then next question. Fuel I think is very hard, but even though just only one time I will explain, okay, try. Fuel means verb. Verb means you should know the meaning. Without know the meaning, if you want to do, just you can check the letter. First letter should be ya, or ta, or noon. Like, see here, like this will be there. So you are going to check the first letter is ya. So this is fuel. See, like this you can check. First letter is ta. Sorry, first letter is ta. So this is also fuel. You are going to check the first letter. First letter is noon. First letter is ya or ta or noon. This will come under the fuel. See here, and alif also. Alif also. First letter is alif also. But you will get confused here because this we should know the meaning. The same thing will come under the Kamariya and Samsya also. So no need to worry about this one. Just you can only study ya, ta and noon is starting. That will come under the fuel. Okay. Next word will be tanween. Tanween means 3 types of tanween is there. Next one will be tanween. 3 type of tanween is there. Fathatain, kasratain, dammatain. See here, fathatain, kasratain, dammatain. This tanween should come end of the letter. Should come end of the letter. See here, like this I am writing the letter. See, tanween. So this will be tanween. Just you are going to circle. Which is tanween, you are going to circle. So this is the format. Fathatain, kasratain, dammatain. This will come end of the letter. Then you can easily find which is tanween. Next one, rakab. Rakab means you are going to join and read. You are going to join. How to join? See, I am giving the word ta, ba, sa, ra. Just join and write. That is called rakab. That is called rakab. Just nothing. Write. Just join and write the letter. See here. This is the question for you. Join and write. This is the question. 2 questions I am giving for you. Just join and write. Okay, ma. Next one. Hal kalimat. Hal kalimat. What is the meaning of hal kalimat? Split the letter. Now I will give the letter joining. Like this I will give. You are going to split the letter. First letter what? Ta. Second letter what? Ba. Third letter what? Dal. Fourth letter what? Ra. Finish. This is splitting and writing. See here, I will write the letter for you. See. This is one question. This is one question. This is one question. Just you can join and split and write the letter. Only this much will be.